Financial Academy. We currently just dropped the load off. Now we heading to over here to a terminal. Go and pick up a load that needs to be recovered from another driver. His truck tore up on me. He ain't gonna be able to make it. We're coming from Atlanta to Minnesota, and we're finna get some road action. You know what I mean? Start this Monday off right. If you could smash that like, subscribe, and share button for me. Run them viewers up, run them followers up, and yeah, we're gonna get on to the video. I'm gonna currently get a couple of footage. My first time going to Minnesota, so well, second time going to Minnesota. First time I want to do on YouTube, so it's pretty nice out there. I know it's cold, but it's pretty nice out there. We're gonna get us some good old footage, and we'll see what the ride like, man. Y'all stay tuned. What's good, YouTube? We back at it again. Just had to go pick up this load. You know what I was saying? It was a recovery. Couldn't really get no footage of it because it was on some security type time, man. But we up and loaded, strapped, finna get ready to hit that road, man. To go to Minnesota and stuff like that. Just want to talk about a lot of stuff we're gonna be doing on the channel, man. We're gonna be really interviewing a lot of drivers, interviewing a lot of truckers, you know, at truck stops and stuff like that, getting their personal opinion on truck driving, on their experience with truck driving, classification they pull, what they like about truck driving, vehicle types they like to drive, well, not vehicle type, but you know, models, makes they like to drive, what's their favorite model, make, and stuff like that. You know, different people's opinion on trucking. Everybody got their own opinion on trucking. Some people like box trucks, some people like, you know, semi trucks, some people like pulling flatbeds, some people like pulling container, some people like pulling tankers, you know, it's different type of stuff like that. But we respect them all. I respect them all, you know what I'm saying? I don't really, you know, trucking is trucking to me, you know what I mean, man? So yeah, that's what we're gonna be really talking about more on this channel. Also, later on down the line, we're trying to merge some of the financial tips so you can learn a couple of things about starting your own truck driving business. Like myself, I went through a bank to get my own 26-foot box truck. Well, I actually seen it, and I had been working on my credit a long time. I finally seen the one I want. I went and got it. You know, I was able to get it, and now I'm rolling. You know, I've been doing it for like I want to say since February 2022, early 2022. So it's almost a year. You know what I mean? Up and running and strong. You know, hope for many more. You know what I mean? Even though the rate's messed up right now, I hope for many more. Though, you know, try to stay Midwest, because it's a lot of freight out there, man. It's a lot of freight. But we're gonna get into the video. You know what I mean? We're gonna try to interview at least 2 truckers today. We're gonna see what their opinion on everything on the channel, on trucking. And you know, we're finna keep it rolling, man. You know what I mean? We're finna get rolling, man. You know what I mean? Best of it. Up in Minnesota, I think we got like a 1,125 mile ride. We're gonna knock that thing down. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. We loaded. We headed there. You know what I mean? We had to go pick up that recovery load for someone that wasn't gonna be able to make it. And we strapped and loaded, man. We got my pillars and my covers over there. Hey, we getting a hotel rooms, man. We saved around here. Man, we saved around here. So man, we on the road, getting to it, you know, and yeah, we'll be there probably by tomorrow morning. We might make it drop it off early. This load here, I think his load he delivers a day before. It delivers on Wednesday. We're gonna deliver the day before. We're gonna get it in there early, man. If that's if they accept us, we're gonna get them in there early, and we'll find something else. Right now, I got a dispatcher. Well, the person who dispatched the company on these 2. They say I ain't seeing nothing right now. It's too early in the week. It's too early in the day to call it. But not, hey man, we're gonna get on there and find out something ourselves. You know, we gotta keep this thing rolling. There's money to be made out here. And we're gonna get it. We gonna get it, man. You know know what I mean? We're gonna get to the money. That's all it is down my line to it. So we finna keep rolling. Get some highway footage, and we're gonna do the doggone thing. Gas station, getting some gas now, so you know what I mean. Kind of let the loves, not love, excuse me, pile it up there. Sign. There we go. There we go. We're currently at the pilot getting us some gas, so we can finish our trip. You know what I mean. Do a quick walk around, make sure everything's good on the truck and everything. Rolling and stuff like that. We're currently right now in somewhere in Tennessee. Have to check. Yeah, man, we're gonna keep rolling. We've been doing it. We can cover a lot of ground. Let's see. But yeah, also, man, this be like the perfect time, you know, to check everything around the truck, everything. You know what I mean? The truck, make sure tires, make sure there are no leaks or nothing like that. You know, anything can happen at any time out here in these trucks and everything. Most people don't do it till it's too late. You be looking crazy, like, man, it could be something you could have prevented. But yo, we out here scrolling, man. We ain't bothering nobody. Nice box truck, you know. We out here. I here with the big boys. We out here with the big boys. Just like that. I don't need no gloves, man. Like I say, man, you know, we got here with you. Check everything, check the tires. You know, make sure you take it. On the truck. I wish I could turn my camera right now, but that's what I gotta do. You know, got no reason. So whatever. You probably don't know what to look for. I mean, we look good right now. Coolant look good. We're gonna keep that coolant topped off pressure right now, man. It's kind of cool right now, man. You don't mess nothing up. But everything look good. Like we got no leaks and no abrasions on the road. I see we got a crack up there in the windshield. We gotta get that fixed ASAP when we get back in town. We gotta get that fixed ASAP when we get back in town. You know. Yeah, man. We gonna keep it rolling. Gonna keep digging. Let's check this freight. Oh man, left my dog on. You know what? I ain't leaving my key. We good. Hold on, just a second. Let's go off in there, man. Gotta check that freight, man. You know, stuff getting the shift. Yeah, we alright, we decent. You know, it's all how I left it. It's how I left it. We good. So yeah, man. We finna keep on scrolling. Finna keep it moving. You know what I mean? We're gonna give y'all a further update when we get further down the road. Probably interview us a truck driver here in a few. So stay tuned. What's going on, family? We are done for the day. Completed for the day. Pulling up now to get loaded up for the night. I mean for tomorrow, excuse me. To get loaded up for tomorrow, you know what I mean? Journey was kind of a little long. We got like 6 hours more drive to get to Minnesota. Pulling up now to get a little gas, man, and go ahead and stop for the night, man. Get some rest. I'm gonna be back in a few minutes to show y'all how it look. Put everything up, curtains up, you know what I mean? Show you how I camp out at the truck stop, man, at nighttime. So stay tuned. Yeah. So man, we doing our post trip. We filling up with gas right now before we end it for the night. You know what I mean? We still looking good on the truck. Everything's still looking good. We all around. Oh, look here, man. It's snowing. It's crazy. Can't really see it. Get a couple little drops. You can't really see it, but we halfway here, man. Let's go and check out freight. Ah, man. Keep me inside. I'll check it for the night anyway, man. But like I say, man, we halfway here, man. We getting to it, man. Like I say, we trucking.